Hi everyone, this is P with Mr. V, and today we are doing a shoulders, biceps and back workout. This is the second shoulder, biceps and back workout that we're doing. If you would like to see the first one, you can click on it here. Okay, we'll use the same structure as always, so we'll start off with a 1 minute warm-up, 1 minute active stretching, the 12 minutes of the actual workout, and then 3 minutes of passive stretching at the end. So I hope you're ready because we're about to get started. You only need a mat and a water bottle today. So ready, let's start in 3, and here we go. Air jump rope. Jumping jacks. Twist jumps. Running. Heels. Perfect. That was just to get our heart rate up and our body temperature. Now let's work on the movements that we will be doing. So I said before, we're doing shoulders, biceps and back. Now to start moving our shoulders, we're just going to make big circles. Okay. Big circles. Backwards. One forward, one backwards. Other direction. Okay, now for biceps, just bicep curls. Front of us. Side. Okay, now for our back, just big circles. Other direction. Okay, are we going to go down? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and up. Great. Go and get some water because we're about to get started. Okay, I hope you're ready for our workout. Non-stop 12 minutes. Within each minute you try to work 30 seconds and then rest 30. If it's less, it's fine as well. You just do it to your best ability. Hope you're ready. Shoulders, arm circles. Well done. Excellent. Feels very easy at the beginning, okay, but if you do it very exclusively, you can really feel it. We're going down to the floor now for our biceps. Now, it's quite hard to train your biceps when you don't have weights, so that's why we are going to do basically the same drill that we did last time as well, the side lying biceps curl. So we're going to lay down on our side, hold on here, okay, elbow on the floor, and we're going to pull ourselves up. So with our biceps, okay, try not to use your abs. Well done. Okay, try not to use your abs in those exercises and really use your biceps. Now, we're going to train our backs now. For our back, we're going to lay down on our belly and we're going to do W extension, so V extension. So we're going to go here, up, here, W extension. Okay, ready? Nice one. You could have lifted your feet off the floor here as well, or not. That's up to you. Okay, now shoulders again. We're going to do pike push-ups. So we are going to stand in a triangle basically here. Arms a tiny bit wider, like that. And we're going to go down and touch the mat with our forehead. If you find that too difficult, you can do it on your knees, like that. Well done. Okay, we're going back to the floor for our biceps. Other side this time. So, lay down on your side, hand underneath your knee. Okay, your elbow stays on the floor, like that. Feet up in the air. Your other hand at the back of your head, and you're going to pull yourself up with your biceps. Okay, here. Try not to use your abs. Nice one. Okay. Next one is the reverse snow angel. Now, we all know that a snow angel is normally like that. So we're going to start already with our hands in front of us and then go behind our back. You can lift your legs if you want to. If not, they can stay on the floor to make it easier. So we're right here, like that. We go here. Let's go. Well done. We're halfway, everyone. That was our back again, so we're going back to our shoulders. We're standing up for our arm circles. Now we did 15 seconds forward, 15 seconds backwards before. Now we're not really making circles now. We're just going to move up and down. First with our palms pointing down, and then we'll swap with our palms facing up. Okay, just relax. Ready? relax. Who needs weight to train your shoulders? Well done. Very good. Now, for the next one, we're going to do standing shoulder taps. So these are for our biceps. So like if you were lifting weights, we're going to go here, okay, and basically do a biceps curl with no weights, but against gravity. Okay, so here, we tap our shoulder. Okay, try to do it explosively. Go back explosively. Ready? And relax. Quite hard just after the shoulders. You can obviously feel your shoulders burning as well. We're going back to the floor for our W extensions. Remember that you can lift your legs if you want to for this one. Remember, W extension. If you want to, you can lift your legs as well. If not, they can just stay on the floor. Hope you're ready. And relax. What we're basically trying to simulate here is a pull-up, okay, towards the top on the bar, but we're just doing it on the floor against gravity as well. Well done. Okay, relax your shoulders a bit. We're going to go to our pike push-ups again. Okay, pike push-up. Well done. Woo. We're accumulating, you can really feel it now. Okay, standing shoulder taps again. Okay, so we're here. Okay, we're going to flex our arms and really try to make our biceps hard. Really try to make it work only against gravity, but that's good enough. Okay, ready? We're almost there, second last one. Ready? And relax. I'm obviously doing these on purpose up here. If you would just do them here, then we're not really using our shoulders and our back, but as we're doing them up here, we're also helping with our shoulders and our back, which we're training as well in this session. Last one, the reverse snow angels. Remember, up here, palms turn upwards at the back. And you can lift your legs if you want to. Great workout, everyone. Well done. Go get your water. Okay, to stretch your shoulders, just going to hold the arm sideways. Just press it towards your body. You should feel it stretch here. Keep on breathing. Other arm. Well done. Hold your hands behind your back. Pull a bit sideways. Well done, and relax. Now for our biceps, we're going to go to the floor over here, and we're going to twist our arms backwards like that and lean backwards. Relax a little bit. And again. Well done. Now for our back. We're going to sit in a V-sit, legs open. Okay, and we just lean forward. Try to keep on breathing. One side. Done. Now we'll go on our knees. This is good for our shoulders as well. And upward facing dog. Well done. Get some more water. Great workout, everyone. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, leave a little comment at the bottom. I always read them. And if you haven't done so yet, please make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification button so each time you get a notification when I post a new video. Now, let me know as well if you preferred this shoulders, biceps and back workout or the first one down there in the comment box. Have a great day and see you in the next video. Bye.